In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can get your first agency clients, so let's dive straight into it. Let's start with some proof of results and why you should even listen to me. This is a screenshot from Instantly, a tool to send cold emails, and over my entire life I have sent around 60,000 emails, and I have generated over $1 million in opportunities. So I really know what I'm talking about when it comes down to cold outbound. And cold emails are the best for beginners that want to get their first agency clients. And it is because of these three reasons. So you don't have to search for leads, you can use existing databases or scrape something. So when it comes down to doing outbound on other platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you actually have to search for the leads that you want to outreach to, and then you have to qualify them. So this is a lot of work, but when it comes down to cold emails, you can just use existing databases with your ideal customer profile. Second of all, it's automated. So you don't have to worry about typing those messages, applying their first name in the first name, body copy, and other variables. It's all automated, so you can just save time and work on other important tasks like improving your product and getting the clients that you will get some good results. And the last but not least, it's a low cost. It has a low barrier of entry. To run a cold email infrastructure, it will require something like $100, $200, up to $300 per month, which is absolutely cheap compared to results that you can get from that. And by the same reasons, it is the worst thing that you can do to scale your agency after getting very few first clients. Because it has a low barrier of entry, meaning a lot of people can do the same thing. Second of all, it's automated and you don't have to do much things to do the same. So based on that reasons, you won't be in the queue. Everyone is doing the same thing, setting the same board clients the offer, so it's getting harder and harder to get those agency clients using that method. But for the start, it's absolutely enough. And that's why if you have already few clients and if 2 or 3 good case studies or 1 extremely good case study, then you can launch ads and leverage content funnel. That will be a better choice for you. And if you are at that stage right now in your agency or your business, then I have recorded a free training about the exact funnel that we use for our clients and for myself. So you can check, somewhere here will be a link for this video. And yeah, let's go. So let's go to what you need. First of all, you will need a source of leads. For beginners, I recommend Apollo plus Find Email. It is because you can use for your free plan the trial version of it, which is 14 days. And Find Email is a tool that will allow you to scrape leads from Apollo. Apollo have a really shit database. They're really bad quality leads. So you need to verify them after scraping it with Apollo. But if you combine Apollo with Find Email, it will automatically give you only verified leads that you can put straight into your campaign instantly. And Find Email have an integration with Instantly, so it's an easy piece of job. Or the second way, you can use Apollo Scraper from Fiverr. There are a lot of people that will scrape you the entire Apollo database for you for really pennies, but after that you will have to verify the leads using a tool like Neverbounce or your verifier. Or the third way, you can use Instantly Lead Finder. It's still in beta, but I have closed 1 client, I guess, for the 1 company that I partner with. So definitely worth trying. You will need Instantly AI to send emails, Google Domains to get the domains, Google Workspace for emails mixed up with Outlook. And that will be for those emails accounts and the landing page. And you can use basically the basic free website that you get from Google Workspace where you buy the emails. It will be enough. You will need a Loom to record the Looms for the clients for those positive replies. ConvertKit Go High Level Active Campaigns. That is because after you will have someone that can book a call with you and you didn't convert them, then what you want to do is to add them automatically to your newsletter and just nurture them with emails and some content. If you produce, for example, YouTube videos, you can include them also in the newsletter. And obviously we need a Calendly to book calls. And if you have Go High Level, then you don't need Calendly. So step-by-step guide. Read Instantly Accelerator. When you have an Instantly account that you can create for free within the 14 days free trial, and by the way, you can use my link down in the description if you want to support the channel. It don't cost you anything, but you can support us. And I have also a referral link for Findymaze. So if you want to support the channel and you appreciate the work and the efforts I'm putting in, then I will appreciate if you use those links. On the free account, you can access to the Instantly Accelerator, which is a free course on everything that you need to know to send cold emails and get results. So just check everything out here. Go for everything. There are also tutorials on how to add those emails to Instantly, how to buy domains, where to get leads from, how to write the copy, like everything that you can imagine. So that will be the first way. After that, buy 5 to 10 domains, get 2 to 3 emails for each domain, add it to Instantly and let the warm run for at least 2 weeks. And this is a really important step because a lot of beginners, they think like when they add emails to Instantly, they can send the emails right away. It's not true. You have to let the emails first warm up and then ramp up the sending volume. After that, you have to prepare a lead list and clean it. And Findymaze gives you already verified leads. The same goes to Instant Lead Finder. After that, you have to write the copy, record the VSL, run the campaign, and repeat positive responses, book meetings, close deals, optimize, and repeat. Here is an example of a good copy that you can use. I usually use the same copy that applies to my scenario for my client. And this is the results that we get from one company, from one campaign using that. So 1,000 people contacted, 123 reply, around 12 reply rate, which is a really high number, and 70 opportunities worth 140K. So the copy goes like this. Hey, first name out of blue question, but I recorded an X-minute Loom showing how you can achieve the desired outcome. So based on the offer, just put the desired outcome here in the time frame. So the time that it takes to achieve the desired outcome, like we did for case study. And if you don't have a case study, then there is a second way of using something similar. So you just, instead of stating that you did the same for a case study, you say that it's the same strategy that have made a person that uses something similar and desired outcome in the time frame. I just ask like, mind if I send it over? Is it cool if I send it over? Can I send it over? So you just have to get the permission to send it over, and afterwards you continue the conversation with the prospects. So I bet this is all. If you enjoyed the video, then you can slash the like button, subscribe for more free value. And I have recorded step-by-step on how I actually go from Apollo, finding the leads, then reaching them and scraping with Findymaze, and then adding them to Instantly. So if you would like to see the Loom video that I have made, then it will be somewhere down the description so you can get it for free, of course. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. How do I help you? And see you in the next one. Take care.